So now I have the Hero 11 here at night. It's like too dark. 24 frames a second, you know, and then the ISO limited to 400. So the little dog is going to the bathroom. Lucy, leave it. Lucy, come. Leave it. Don't touch it. Some of those dogs are not right in the head and they eat their own poop. So in time you have to tell them no. And when they play around and run around and play, you don't want them to step in it either. So I'm wandering off in the dark. I have the stabilization off. And yeah. Oh, there's the light there. And here you can probably not see, but I'm testing here those little lights. They're barely on because on top, and you also probably can't see this without a light, there is frozen ice on the solar panel here, and there's no way this gets unstuck for the rest of the winter. There is not enough light going through there to charge those batteries. That's with both of them because the panels are straight. Here we had enough light in my shed. Look in there, so that light is still going on in here because that solar panel, I was able to clean the snow off. So there's no way, if you would have it on the roof, it would be full of snow, you know, but here it's all clean now. It's gonna help. Where's my little dog now? This guy has to go inside because it's gonna be too cold. Where is he? There he is. Okay. Here, those old Costco ones are frozen on the ground, but some still work and some do not. So, yeah, I don't know. I have to find the little dog and then I have to put it inside. It's too cold for me. I'll be out so long here. Where is he? Find him. Little boy, come on. Where's the boy? Come, yes, come on, let's go inside. Come on, let's go in. Let's go inside, come. Does he want to go inside? No. Echo, come on. Come on, where's the good boy? Echo. What you doing? He's tracking something. Echo, come. Come on. Oh, that also reminds me, I did a time lapse here. And again, so GoPro, is it too dark or what? I don't know if you can see the camera. Here's my time lapse camera. It's just dark. I'm not sure if I can. No. Okay. So now I have the problem that the dog doesn't listen. To me, I would have to chase him through the snow here. And he needs to go inside. He is out here too long now. It's too cold for him. He has to come in. Echo, come on. Let's go. Come. A minute ago, he was afraid of the dark. Didn't want to go out. And then now he doesn't want to go back in. So I have to catch him while he wrestles with a big dog. I need to catch him then and carry him inside. And he will like fight me off when I try to grab him. So I'm sorry, I have no image stabilization. Well, this is how this goes in the middle of the night. It's freezing. I'm freezing my fingers off. Now he's attacking the big dog again. And I don't like because he bites so hard when he gets frustrated. And he gets frustrated when he's tired. And he knows what my plan is. Now with the camera in my hand, it's hard to grab him. I really have to run and fight. Oh yeah, he's down. He's down. I got him. I got him.